Snovio tutorial for beginners. So how to use this tool in general. Now before anything, just a general explanation on what it can do. It is used for finding emails, verifying leads, sending cold email campaigns, and the similar features. If you want to learn more, just enter their homepage since it should include most of their features, what it does, and how to use them. But if you want to get started, enter the homepage or their website and choose the sign up option, the try Snovio for free, request a demo, pretty much depends on you, to create an account and log in. So put in your email and your details in order to get yourself an account. But once you create an account, you're gonna have to fill in these details as well. So first, you're gonna put in your company name and then your industry. So take a look over here if the option is available. You can search it if you'd like, but once you've chosen, choose your business type as well, company size, sales team size, your occupation. So again, just take a look at the options, and then your primary goal with Snovio. Now answering these will help you personalize your dashboard and your account to help you with your later use with Snovio. But once you're done with that, you can directly enter your dashboard. So in your all campaigns, you can start with creating a campaign. So you can install the Snovio browser extension before anything. So this will help you collect emails directly from websites like maybe LinkedIn or any other kind of website that integrates this. So after gathering your leads, you can save them into a prospect list. So you can use this to organize and manage your contacts before outreach. So next, which is what we're supposed to do, is to verify your emails using the email verifier to ensure deliverability and avoid bounce rates. Then you can go to your campaigns, which is where we're already at, and then choose the create campaign. There you can build your outreach by sequence. So you can do this with writing emails, adding follow-ups if you'd like. Now if you want to create a campaign, you could choose from a template. So you can take a look at the available templates and see which ones suit you. But if none of them do, or maybe you want to create from scratch, that is always an option. But as of now, let us just go ahead and choose a template. So with that, we can build the sequence, which we already mentioned, by writing emails, adding follow-ups, or setting delays between messages. Pretty much depends on how you want to do the process. You'll be able to see a step-by-step process on how to do this as well over here on the right if you are still new, and there is always a tutorial button you can take a look at for each feature as well. Once you're done, you can just directly launch the campaign. You can proceed to do this, and Snovio will automatically send emails and track opens, clicks, and replies depending on how you did your table. So over time, you can optimize your campaigns by adjusting subject lines, content, and timing to improve response rates and generate more leads. If you want to go ahead and explore more, it's always somewhat free. There are a few features that requires a subscription, but again, you can take a look at them even before that to really explore and see if it's worth for the price. But that is the general idea on how Snovio works. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.